Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Kundasang. What can you do in Kundasang? You can climb Southeast Asia's tallest mountain, or you can enjoy the Desa Farm experience, or you ride the ATV. Are you ready? Let's go. At Kundasang, I'm staying at the Sinar Akinabalu Valley, whereby it's located at the foothill of the Akinabalu Valley. You can see the valley from your comfort of your cottage. They have total currently only 5 units of cottage, so let's check it out. For those that wish to stay here with mobility issue, take note, it's only stairs going down and up. There is a cafeteria in progress. The owner informed me it will be ready by the time I came to check in, but still not ready yet. Water dispenser for drinking is available outside the cafeteria. Oh, cute local residents greeting us at the door of our rooms. Yes, it's a room tour now. The room is pretty equipped with a minibar, a water kettle, TV, Wi-Fi, a large bed. For shower, you do have your water heater available. This room costs 250 ringgit for weekday and 300 ringgit for weekend stay. Of course, the view. And let's see the view. First activity of the day will be Desa Farm. It is the home of the local Desa milk brand in Sabah. Here you can witness the production of fresh milk and ice cream. It is advisable for you to book your ticket online through their website, and it is 5 ringgit per person. Vending machine selling fresh milk and ice cream is available. Let's get a fresh milk with banana flavor for 2 ringgit. The fresh milk is okay. Next stop to the cow barn area. It is also known as the Little New Zealand of Sabah because of the black and white cow available here. Next to the calf pen for play and feeding. After all the play and feeding, if you need to feed yourself, there's a cafe available here as well. And also shopping for souvenir. Do comment below, would you come and experience the little New Zealand in Sabah? Do comment below. It's time for ATV. Let's go. Protection gear are up and the briefing on how to use the ATV. And we are off. At night, there's not much place to go unless you can check out the local market whereby they sell local products, fruits and veggies. On the next episode, we are gonna fly off to Sandakan. Check out the biggest market in Sandakan where the locals shop and eat. See you on my next episode. Bye.